Okay, here we go. It is 3:02 and there's the crane, the American crane. Okay, we're going to keep these short at 15 seconds a piece. They just started. Okay, here we go. Hope you can see this, guys. Does anybody get paid to be the videographer? Oh, wait a minute. I live for free, get free food. There's the crane. And there it is, guys. The El Crano. Look at that. That thing is going over our house. Oh, wow. This is better than concrete. This is rad. Okay. And there's a little guy up there. Thing's just swinging. Oh. You know, what if? No, don't even think it is. Pretty cool, huh? Alrighty. Robert, you're gonna, all little boys love crane action. Look at that thing, it's just swinging in the wind. You know what that looks like? It looks like a boom box. Okay, we check that out. And he grabbed it. This is like the best thing that's going to happen. Oh, besides the cooling. I don't have a lot of battery either. But this is what we want to see. It's pretty hot out here. I'm kind of shaky. Yeah, I had breakfast. And there's the crane. The full view. There's a whole view. 3506 with a big old crane on top of it. Campbell. It's got the hook. And it's an AC sign language of some sort. You know, he's pointing. There's the crane. There's a little driveway. There's Larry's truck. There's the fucking park. The park. Freaking park. There's our little $5,000 unit. See, he's like an air traffic controller guy. He's like bringing in the planes, you know. That's right. He's like, you know, he needs cones. Those little cones. Boy, it sure is hot out here. Check that out. There's a hot blonde right over there. That's hard work for a chick. This is hard work for anybody. Yeah. Yeah, up close and personal. We're just gonna try to... There they are. I thought it was going to be worse than the concrete mixer, but it wasn't. I don't know how that girl can do that job. This is tough. And I think that's about it. Okay, you guys know the rest. I'm really sick of everything. Look at them working. These guys are all at least 40 or above, and then you got the chick. Okay, honey, you're gonna love this. What boy doesn't love a big crane? Check this out. It's like an air traffic controller. He's a crane controller. Look at that hook. Look at him go. Beautiful. I second that. There they go. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, piece of shit. Out with the old and in with the new. See, ooh, look at that. Rocking or rolling. Oh crap. That's incredible. Oh shit. Look at it. Swing about a swing. Hasta la vista, baby. They taketh away. Well, look at that. I say dump it right into the park. Give it to the dogs. Dump it right into the dog park, right? Right over here. That's where crap goes. Leon, oh my goodness, it looks like a barbecue. It does, it looks like a custom barbecue smoker. I think we could cook ribs on that. That's so pretty, it looks like it looks like a barbecue smoker. Baby wanted crane, baby gets crane. Here's your crane, honey. And the crane goes up. Look at that hook. Look at that. Here comes a new boy. There it goes. I don't want to be in their way, so I might have to run at any moment. But there it is. Hoisting up the new one. I thought it was really radical when the old one started swinging from the wind. I was like, man, maybe it'll just dump itself into the dog park. Check that out. It's amazing to think that something so ugly could produce something so lovely. Why, if it isn't monsoon? I can't imagine that being up on top of the roof would be any fun with some thunder and lightning going on. And it looks like the monsoon is right up above us. Ladder's over there unattended. Hope it doesn't kill the tree. Not really worried about that. I gotta imagine the little monsoon weather is pretty bad for them. Woohoo, monsoon. Google. Percentage of AC installers that get zapped by lightning. God, I hope not. You hear that? I asked Larry, what's the percentage? Do you ever get worried about being on top of a roof, installing an AC unit, getting zapped by some thunder and lightning? He said, I do. I said, I would too. Too bad I didn't get that from his mouth, but who wouldn't? Here's a little song for all the AC installers. Ooh, ooh, I'm a scroon. I'd be scared in a monsoon if I was on top of a roof. With the thunder and the lightning, I suppose it would be very, very frightening. Thunder and lightning, very, very frightening. Galileo, if I was installing an AC unit. This monsoon son of a bitch is directly on top of the house. It's drama. That's what the men said. They said they're cutting it close. I'd be out of here. And I thought I had respect for these guys. My God, they're on the roof. Things are rumbling. Hear that thunder? And it ain't coming from down under. Hear that, buddy? Gimme. I don't know if we got that. That's pretty good. Well, no, it isn't good. See the man on the foot? Man on the roof. A little bolt of lightning, very, very frightening. I told him, I said, if you guys got rubber suits, I'd be putting them on right now. Yeah. They're really hot though. See? These guys want to get out of here, and I do not blame them. In fact, I can't believe they're not booking. If it was me, I'd like say, you know what, safety codes, we can't. We'll be back tomorrow. But they're still here, thank God. And you know how I feel about thunder and lightning. Yay! Okay, this is the last image that I'm going to shoot. There's our new guy. As you can tell, we've got thunder and lightning going on, which for people that are installing units on top of roofs, I heard it from all of them, dangerous. You could tell they're tired and they want to go home. And I don't blame them, because you couldn't get me on a roof with thunder and lightning going on. No effing way. And that crackle, well, that concludes our videography of the installation of the new AC. I pray for them.